Signed a contract with my wife.
We'll refund your wife's organization and pay for whatever the cost of moving the event to.
Okay. And we're bringing on a new organization to help us.
Do you know which one yet?
I'm still looking into a few options, but,
Elizabeth!
What kind of baptism requires a signed release form exculpating the organization in case of bodily harm or death?
It's a standard form. I signed one scarier when I joined 23-Hour Fitness.
Their help? How about consulting me before you struck a deal?
let's get something very clear. I run the organization. You work for it.
Our agreement is an affiliation, Claire.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word organization. It means the act or process of organizing. Also means the state or manner of being organized. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce organization, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the fourth syllable, corresponding to ze. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how organization is used in real life.
And we're bringing on a new organization to help us.
We'll refund your wife's organization and pay.
What kind of baptism requires a signed release form exculpating?
I'm sorry, it's part of my organization's.
Let's get something very clear. I run the organization.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.